have alternative fuels. Ow. Jeff, cut out that part where I hit my head. So, ow, 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 ow.
Well, you know, you gotta have symmetry. I mean, what would Arnold say?
Hey, Wrench and Race fans. We're here in the pits. Ow. Fuck. Right now I'm going to dump the coolant, which is antifreeze, which you can't race with, and swap that with water, which you can race with.
Press. Release.
That's the automatic idle adjustment tape. 3 layers of green gaffer tape gives about an 1800 RPM setting for the car. Yeah, wheels are going on, right?
I don't know.
Make sure you don't pinch the center hub. The clamps that hold the air box and fuel
Going up.
make it happener, but the CIS and the fuel filter, there's no real good mount on the bottom of it, so we have to sort of zip tie to the sides. It's probably not the most ideal situation, but that's how it goes. It's lemons. So we have a 9 o'clock, 9 to 9:25 session. So I'm gonna try and get out there quick and get a session in. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, doctor.
Mango's favorite sandwich.
I mean, it's why I come.
Look at this bread.
This is milk bread that came from Japan. These are special eggs that came. Oh, there you go. That's yours. John Cooper special.
Sweet. Thanks, buddy. Who needs to go to Japan when you got John Cooper here? Well-worn butt pad. How's the car running? It feels pretty good. All we did so far, the only adjustment we're making is putting a little extra preload on this wheel. It feels like it sinks a little bit when you turn right. So maybe we're trying to keep it where it's at, so it's not as unsettling. I feel good. How's the back? Feeling like squatty? Did it stay put?
Yeah, it feels like when you hard brake, it just wants to pull a little bit to the right.
Were you playing with the valve?
I did a little bit. It's a front thing.
Oh, you think it's happening in the front?
I think so.
No, it's my first time at Lemons. I met them guys like a month ago, and they were like, "Why don't you come out?" Blah 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 blah. So sweet,
dude. It's awesome.
So,
Hey, you got the suit, man.
yeah,
Just have fun and be predictable. That's all.
yeah. And
That's
I
it.
tried to be. I just tried to stay where I wanted to be, and
Yep.
you know, normal line. I gave point buys where I could. And normal track experience. You know, you're just like, "Oh, fucking go, just go, get away from it."
The first time I went out, I had him in my ear. Just don't do anything. Don't do it. Just stay in the same spot. So I was just driving, see people, just stay there.
Yeah, this was your year anniversary.
Here, yeah.
You've only been doing this for
We have the male stripper coming at 9 tonight.
I double booked.
That would have been fucking amazing.
I would have been like, whoa.
He strips down to a banana hammock. We're building the wing of lunch. Gotta love rib nuts.
They're amazing.
The old Euro too.
Gonna go here. Little wobbly. So something like this with this will be welded to the uprights eventually. Maybe I'll put a crossbar across the angle iron across.
Yeah.
It was spectacular. This transmission is silky.
And how were the temperatures? Were you paying attention to that?
I was. During the stoppage, I was at like 210. It is getting squirrely under hard braking.
All right.
That little kink last time we were here, you remember the last kink before the straight before the braking zone, that really quick left?
Yeah.
This car was super unstable last time.
Because of the suspension.
Now
How
you
does
just
it feel in the rears? The rears, like as you're turning left and right. Is it squatting a lot left?
I didn't feel it squat. I felt it get a little loose though. Like
Well, yeah. I mean, the tires are. Who knows how many heat cycles?
I felt it get loose like when I was pushing it a little bit. Yeah.
Aren't these the ones from last New Hampshire? They didn't get that much use. It feels good.
I mean, they look. You know.
Besides the heat thing, we just got to keep an eye on it when we're actually racing.
Funny with the wingtips. Looking real good, Mango. Looking real good.
That fucking exhaust is everything, bro.
$20 on Amazon.
It's so good.
So this line is for tech inspection. So we just got checked off to go through tech. Next we'll go through BS inspection, which will then they'll look at all the stuff on the car and be like, oh, you guys haven't finished the race. You blew up in Thompson. Here's C class or B class or whatever. And then once we get our designation of penalty laps, probably 0, and what class, maybe C, we then go and get our packet, and then that packet has all the other stuff in it. Nifty patches.
The transmission is unbelievable compared to what it's been.
Yeah. And the nicer you are to it, it just goes.
I am the most sympathetic member of this fucking team.
Easy now.
Might be John,
Who are you talking to?
not you. How many times have you spun this car? I've never spun this.
Happy birthday, Dale! Same thing we ran in New Hampshire.
I was gonna say, done anything to it?
No, we replaced the transmission because we fucked that up.
So this car has a transmission?
It does now, yeah.
It does now.
It didn't really at New Hampshire, but it does now.
Yeah.
See all day?
It's
I mean,
until you guys win C, it's a C car.
how quickly can you guys change like a CBX?
Well, it depends on what dump it is. And if we drill it out, if one of the bolts breaks, usually we can get it done in about 40 minutes.
Yeah, you're veteran.
That's right. Yeah. Until you guys win C, I'm okay with it being there.
Sweet. That's called C class. 0 penalty laps.
So how come you're in C and not B?
Well, we were in C class in New Hampshire, and Eric put us in C class because we had never won anything except the index of affluency, which used to be called the most with the least, our first race we ever did back in 2011. And then I think we won heroic fix at Thompson last year. So things just keep breaking on us. So they keep helping us out and, doing that for us. So we'll take it. We'll see what happens.
How's everything?
Very good. How about you, sir?
You're not supposed to be wearing it on your arm.
I know.
Yeah, I got my Nomex on.
Okay.
There you go then.
Thank
You were
you.
all good.
Maybe one of these guys who I'm teammates with remembered that 3 o'clock there was another session starting up for us, and that they're busy getting ready to get in the car and go for another test run. What are the odds of that actually happening? That's one of our biggest competitors when we're in B class, but since we're in C, we don't need to worry about them. We just have to worry about the other C cars, which I guess tomorrow morning we'll know who the other C cars are, and we'll see if we can get ahead of them. Just got to stay on the track. just give the wheel bearing a little snugging up.
These are the coolest lug nuts. 3 silver, that's good style. Just finger tight for now, honey. We do it later when it's on the ground.
Easy there, Tiger. Dramatic effect.
Few things better than a fresh tortilla.
Okay.
Brother man.
I'll try for you, sir.
Listen, Derek.
I come to the track with a team and I cook for them. I fuel the car and I don't drive. And I have a blast.
And the chef says,
That's good.